What if I told you your pothos could grow twice as full without buying a new plant? Most people think pothos are supposed to grow long and thin, but that's actually a sign your plant is missing a few important things. The good news? You don't need expensive fertilizers or professional gardening skills to fix it. With a few simple changes, you can turn a sparse, leggy pothos into a thick, overflowing plant that looks straight out of a Pinterest dream home. In today's video, you'll discover 7 easy methods that plant lovers use to grow fuller pothos faster indoors. These tips work for golden pothos, neon pothos, marble queen, and almost every variety you can grow at home. Some of these tricks can even help your plant produce more leaves in just a few weeks. If you want lush vines, bigger foliage, and a healthier-looking houseplant, keep watching because tip number 3 changes everything. Number 1. Give your pothos brighter. Indirect lighting is one of the most important factors when it comes to growing a fuller pothos. If your plant looks stretched out with long spaces between leaves, it's usually begging for more light. Pothos naturally grow under bright filtered sunlight in tropical forests, so dark corners inside your home can slow growth and make the plant look thin. The best place for a pothos is near a bright window where it receives plenty of indirect light throughout the day. East-facing windows are ideal because they provide gentle morning sunlight without the harsh heat of afternoon rays. South or west-facing windows can also work if you use sheer curtains to soften direct sunlight. When pothos receive enough brightness, the plant starts producing leaves closer together on the vine. This creates that compact, bushy appearance everyone wants. Brighter light also encourages faster growth, larger leaves, and stronger stems. If your room doesn't get much natural sunlight, a simple LED grow light can make a huge difference. Many indoor gardeners use affordable grow lights during darker months to maintain healthy foliage year-round. Just remember, the goal is bright indirect light, not intense direct. Sun that burns the leaves, moving your pothos into better lighting may be the fastest way to completely transform its appearance. Number 2. Prune long, leggy vines regularly. If you want your pothos to grow thick and bushy, pruning is absolutely necessary. Many beginners avoid cutting their plant because they fear damaging it, but pruning actually encourages healthier and fuller growth. In fact, pothos respond extremely well to regular trimming. When a vine grows too long, the plant focuses most of its energy on extending that single stem instead of producing new branches. This is why older pothos often look sparse near the top while only the ends continue growing. By cutting back long vines, you force the plant to redirect energy into new growth points. Always trim just above a node, which is the small bump where leaves and aerial roots emerge. After pruning, new stems often develop from that area, creating multiple growth points instead of one single vine. Over time, this dramatically increases fullness. Another benefit of pruning is shape control. Without trimming, pothos can become messy and uneven indoors. Regular maintenance helps the plant maintain a cleaner and more balanced appearance, and don't waste those cuttings. Healthy pothos cuttings root easily in water and can later be replanted into the same pot. This simple trick instantly makes your plant look denser and more luxurious. Pruning may seem intimidating at first, but it's one of the most powerful ways to grow a fuller pothos. Number 3. Plant multiple cuttings in the same pot. One of the biggest secrets behind those super lush pothos you see online is that they're usually made from multiple vines planted together. A single pothos cutting may grow long and healthy, but it often won't look full by itself. That dense waterfall effect comes from combining many rooted stems in one container. This method is surprisingly easy. After pruning your pothos, place the cuttings in water and allow them to grow roots. Once the roots are a few inches long, plant them back into the original pot around the empty areas. As the new vines grow, they fill in gaps and create thicker foliage coverage. Over time, your plant becomes wider, fuller, and much more visually impressive. Instead of 1 or 2 vines hanging down, you'll have dozens of leaves spilling over the edges of the pot. This technique also helps rejuvenate older pothos that look thin near the soil line. Replanting cuttings creates new growth at the base, which restores that compact appearance many older plants lose over time. Professional plant growers use this trick constantly because it works fast and costs absolutely nothing. If you only try one method from today's video, This might be the one that gives the biggest transformation. Number 4. Rotate your plant. Every week. Have you ever noticed your pothos leaning heavily toward one side? That happens because plants naturally grow toward light sources. If your pothos always faces the same direction, one side becomes lush while the opposite side turns thin and uneven. Rotating your pothos regularly helps create balanced growth around the entire plant. Every week, simply turn the pot about a quarter rotation. This ensures all sides receive equal light exposure over time. Balanced lighting encourages even leaf production and prevents the plant from becoming lopsided. It also improves the overall shape, making the pothos look healthier and more decorative in your space. Many people underestimate how important this small habit can be. Without rotation, vines often stretch awkwardly toward windows, creating uneven spacing between leaves. Over time, this can make your pothos appear messy instead of full and symmetrical. Rotating also helps strengthen stems because the plant constantly adjusts its growth direction. Stronger stems can better support larger leaves and longer vines in the future. The best part is that this method costs nothing and only takes a few seconds each week. Sometimes the simplest plant care habits create the biggest visual improvements. Number 5. Water properly and avoid. Overwatering is one of the fastest ways to ruin a healthy pothos. While these plants are very forgiving, constantly wet soil weakens the roots and slows down new leaf growth. Weak roots lead to yellow leaves, droopy vines, and thin, unhealthy growth. Instead of watering on a strict calendar schedule, always check the soil first. Allow the top 1 to 2 inches of soil to dry before watering again. This prevents root rot while encouraging healthier root development underneath the surface. When it's time to water, do it thoroughly. Let water flow through the drainage holes until the soil is fully saturated, then empty excess water from the saucer. Deep watering encourages roots to spread properly through the pot instead of staying weak and shallow. Healthy roots are essential for fuller foliage because roots absorb the nutrients and moisture needed for new growth. A pothos with strong roots will naturally produce more leaves and thicker vines. It's also important to use pots with drainage holes. Decorative containers without drainage trap moisture and increase the risk of root problems. Learning proper watering habits may take practice, but once you get it right, your pothos will reward you with faster growth and healthier leaves. Number 6. Feed your pothos. During growing season, even though pothos are low-maintenance plants, they still need nutrients to grow thick, vibrant foliage. Over time, potting soil loses nutrients, especially in fast-growing indoor plants. Without feeding, growth may slow down, and leaves can become smaller or less colorful. During spring and summer, use a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer about once a month. This provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that support healthy leaves and stronger vines. Nitrogen is especially important because it encourages lush green foliage growth. Always dilute fertilizer according to package instructions, because too much fertilizer can damage roots and burn the plant. Many beginners assume more fertilizer equals faster growth, but overfeeding often creates more problems than benefits. You'll usually notice results within a few weeks. Fertilized pothos often produce larger leaves, faster vine growth, and richer colors compared to unfed plants. Combined with bright light, proper feeding can dramatically improve the fullness of your pothos. During fall and winter, reduce feeding because growth naturally slows during cooler months. Giving fertilizer while the plant is dormant can stress the roots unnecessarily. A little nutrition goes a long way when it comes to growing a lush indoor pothos. Number 7. Increase humidity for healthier growth. Pothos can survive in average indoor humidity, but slightly higher humidity levels often help them grow fuller and healthier. Because pothos are tropical plants, they naturally prefer moist air similar to jungle environments. Dry indoor air can sometimes lead to smaller leaves, crispy edges, or slower growth. One easy way to increase humidity is by grouping plants together. Plants naturally release moisture into the air, creating a small, humid environment around them. You can also place a pebble tray filled with water near the plant or use a small humidifier in dry rooms. Bathrooms and kitchens often provide naturally higher humidity, which is why pothos sometimes thrive especially well in those spaces. If your home uses strong air conditioning or heating, humidity becomes even more important because those systems dry out the air quickly. Higher humidity helps leaves stay soft, flexible, and vibrant while supporting healthier overall growth. Combined with proper lighting and watering, it can encourage your pothos to produce larger and denser foliage over time. While humidity alone won't magically create a bushy plant overnight, it gives your pothos the tropical environment it loves and supports stronger long-term growth. Now you know the real secret to growing a fuller pothos isn't luck, it's consistency. Small habits like better lighting, regular pruning, proper watering, and replanting cuttings can completely change the way your plant looks over time. Even a thin, leggy pothos can become lush and overflowing when given the right care. The best part is that these methods are simple enough for beginners and affordable for anyone growing plants indoors. You don't need expensive equipment or years of experience to create a beautiful, thriving pothos at home. Just start with 1 or 2 tips from today's video and stay patient while your plant responds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another plant lover. And let us know in the comments, which pothos growing tip are you trying first? Your indoor jungle starts today.